Hi people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Makai's Case here. In this video, you guys, I will share with you all how to make a beautiful and easy samosa or spring roll wraps. You guys, trust me, this is a very simple procedure that you'd love to learn. So please, if you're really interested to watch this video, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy how I made this spring roll and samosa wraps from the start to finish. And please guys, do not forget to like this video, share this video to your different platform on social media, subscribe to my channel. It's very important you like this video, okay, so that YouTube can actually recommend it to other people that are looking for this video. Please support me, like, share, and subscribe to get more notification whenever I upload a video here on my channel. Do enjoy the video, guys. All right guys, welcome back. Okay, so this is the procedure. Here I have in my flour, my sugar, and my salt, and I'm sure you're wondering what are we doing with sugar. Anyway, just for extra sweetness. Okay, so it's time to add in these two ingredients, and thereafter I give it a mix with my manual hand whisk. So when you're done with this process, the next thing is to add a liquid, which is your water. Please kindly check the recipe on the description of this video. Okay, so at this point, when you've added in your water, you give it a mix. Okay, now for this samosa and spring roll wraps, the consistency that you're trying to get is the puff consistency. Okay, so please take note. If you notice, puff consistency is not thick, it's not light, but it's just normal. So you're trying to get that consistency, even though there is no yeast inside this one. Do you understand? But make sure that you get that, that drawing effect, that looks like, more like a puff consistency. That I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying, Sha. So yeah, so that's it. So when you're trying to do this, avoid putting too much of water, because if you put too much of water into your batter, it will be so light. And with this, it will, it will give you issues while you're trying to make your wraps. From this video here, you could tell that the batter is so light. Okay, so but whenever you find yourself in this situation, you don't have to panic or worry too much. Just add some quantity of flour and to give you that puff consistency. And in this video here, I actually added a lot of water here. Okay, and but I did add some flour to give me that thick batter that I want. Don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. Just like the way it is now, it's so watery, right? But watch what I did in this video. I did not add too much flour, but mind you, there's no recipe for this one. You just have to use your discretion, by adding a quantity of flour that will give you that a little bit of thick consistency. Do you understand what I'm saying? So at this point now, I had to give it a mix with my hands, and I got the consistency that I want. For samosa wraps and spring roll, consistency matters a lot. Your batter consistency matters a lot. Okay, as can you guys see my consistency now? You see how it is. It's looking like a puff batter. Can you guys see? So make sure that you achieve something like this. It should be drawing a little bit, and then you apply it on your pan. Now for the pan, you have to use something like, make sure that your pan is clean. For your, if you're making a samosa wraps, your pan should not be, there should not be scratch in your pan, because if there's scratch, it will affect your wraps. You will not have a neatly clean wraps. Even if there's something on your, maybe when you're done with your chops and there's something on it, soak it with water, allow it to dissolve, then wash it off with foam. Don't use any hard sponge to wash your fry pan or saucepan. Do you understand? So at this point, you guys, it's time to make, the wraps. As you can see how I am doing it. While you're making your wraps, make sure that, your pan is a little bit hot. As you can see, I was doing this on the table. Okay, I took some butter and I apply it on the pan with my palm. I applied it on the pan with my palm, and then I took it back to the stove immediately for it to cook. So while you're doing this, like I said before, allow the pan to heat up very well, but not too hot. That's number one. Then number two, take it off. Okay, and then you take your batter and apply it. That's number three. Then when you're done, allow it to cook, just like what I'm doing here in this video. The pan was hot here. Then I applied my batter to form a wrap. Then when I was done, I had to take it to the stove top for it to cook very well. So that's you guys. Um that's how to make your samosa wrap. Okay, there are different methods, but this is the method that I use, and it's actually very, very easier for me. Okay, so guys, the next video that will be coming up is how to make the filling. I want you all to enjoy this video and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and expect the next video that will be coming up, which is how to make spring roll fillings and samosa filling. So that will be the next video that will be coming up here on my channel after this particular video. So guys, like the video, share the video, please. It's your own way of supporting me. Share it to different platforms. Like the like this video, you guys, so that YouTube can recommend it to anybody that is searching for how to make samosa wraps. It's your own way of supporting me on the channel. Okay, as you guys can see how clean my wraps is. Can you guys see it? Looking so clean and nice. The process is simple, it's not that hard. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer you guys. Okay, I'm going to see you guys in the next video, which is how to make the spring roll filling and samosa filling. Also, you guys, I forgot to let you all know that this recipe is actually 200 grams of flour, and it gave me 10 spring roll and 10 spring rolls and some and 13 samosas. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to show you guys how I got to achieve my samosa. Meanwhile, I want you all to enjoy the many parts of this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.